Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. It's actually Christmas Day as I'm filming this and Corby's lying here and Hazel's making croissants, and I just thought I'd come on and start the vlog again because the vlog that you guys are about to watch is from Christmas Eve and I've got gift wrapping and all sorts of stuff in it, but I just wanted to start it again because my hair, God. Because I just wanted to say I hope you guys have a really Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays or a nice day off with your family, or if you're by yourself, I hope you're relaxing and enjoying your time. And yeah, enjoy the vlog. Merry Christmas. Bye. I'm gonna go to the supermarket. I know I'm crazy, but we forgot to get food for dinner tonight, so Corby and I are gonna have steaks. Hazel's not at home today, so she won't be at home for dinner. She gets home at like 9, so I think she'll sort something out for herself at work. So I'm gonna go supermarket. I don't need to go to the mall, but I want to go to the mall, so I may go to the mall and just pick up some stuff for myself, but I know I haven't gotten it for Christmas. I just need some pens to start my bullet journal. So I am currently filming got the Christmas lights on by the way, filming my bullet journal video, which here's a little sneak peek. You can't even see anything, that's nice. I need to go to the toilet, that's why I'm stopping. And I had to chuck up my video. Oh my gosh, I really need to wee. I will talk to you guys later. So I have mine with one back and butter. This is just like regular, well, it's reduced salt, but just normal butter. Because I like butter rather than Olivani. Oh my gosh, yum, I'm so excited. The steak tastes so good. I've already tried it, it's delicious. Then I've got about 160 grams of steak. I've already eaten some of it though, so it's probably about 140-ish grams here. And then I've got about 40, well it's not about, I know it's 48 grams of halloumi. I always weigh my halloumi because it's so easy to underestimate how much halloumi you're eating, so I always indulge though. Halloumi's delicious. Season the steak with garlic, salt and pepper, and the halloumi is like nice and buttery. Oh, I lost a piece of steak. But yeah, delish. Oh my god, so good. So Hazel comes home with this, and look, Christmas donuts. Nobody wants to eat them, so I will eat all of them. Yeah. So we just finished watching Love Actually. It was my first time watching it, although it actually wasn't, because halfway through I realised I'd seen half of it. And I'm not okay. No, I'm actually okay. But halfway through, the saddest part, well not saddest, but the most emotional part was that my friend Sav sent me a gift on Steam. And it's a very cute message. I will leave her linked off down below. We've met through Twitch and stuff. But it's just like, through Omen, yeah, and got me and Corpse both in the feels because she sent both of us a game as a gift, and just really like, just got me right in the heartstrings, right as like this saddest part of Love Actually was going, the really dramatic music. But yeah, just thought I'd update you guys. We may be doing, well, we're trying to find out the Christmas movie. That's our Christmas tree. One last time in Vlogmas, even though I'm probably gonna vlog tomorrow, but we're gonna do one present each, I think, at midnight. So I'm filming this clip a couple of days before Christmas because I wanted to show you guys the beautiful Daniel Wellington watches that I was sent. Now, I am not being paid for this video. I just got these watches and they wanted me to share with you guys the awesome special that they're having for Boxing Day. So if you use my code, which is right here, you guys can make a really sweet saving on their website. You can build your own gift sets, you can pick the gift sets they already have. Yeah, if you're just wanting to treat yourself or treat somebody else on Boxing Day, I highly recommend that you guys check out these watches. I have been seeing people wear them for ages and ages, and you know, sometimes you can't tell with stuff that you see on the gram how beautiful they truly are, but after getting these, they are so stunning. So I'm giving one of these to my mum and I'm giving the other one to Korpu, my partner. These gift sets come in the most beautiful boxes. Then when you open them, there's another box on the inside. When I took these out of the box and I looked at them, I was actually in awe, and I'm being genuine, like they're so beautiful. I'm really jealous I didn't get one for myself. The reason why I chose to get them for my family members is because I do wear a smartwatch, but if you guys want like a beautiful like timepiece, I highly recommend these, and they're actually really affordably priced. So I got him a 40mm silver watch with the white face, and I got the black and the brown straps. I don't know the exact names, but I will put everything that I talk about in this video down below. But I thought this was just beautiful. I made this set myself, and he is gonna be so happy with this. And like I said, the other one is for my mum in the same gorgeous box. And this one, when I saw it, I was like super duper tempted to keep it for myself, like really tempted. But I bought it for my mum, so I'm gonna give it to her. So stunning and dainty. If you guys have a small wrist, this watch will be perfect for you. I don't know the exact name of it. I think it might be the 26mm rose gold watch, but my mum wears a watch very similar to this already, but she's had it for a very long time, and I know that she will adore this. And my favorite thing about this little set is that it came with a cuff. So yeah, so beautiful. As you guys can see, it's stunning. Ugh. Honestly, you guys, I wouldn't work with a company if I didn't think that a product was amazing. And I seriously think these are so flippin' nice. So if you guys want to get a discount, I will have my coupon code here again. I'm not making any commission on this. I just wanted to share the love with you guys. This is what I have got to give for Christmas. So you guys would have already seen the other clip of the other things that I got. It was mostly for Hazel, pretty much. It was everything that I got last time that I've already wrapped. But so this is for Hazel again. So I've got her, this is basically like a keto cookbook. Here's a quick example recipe. It's like literally $5 from Kmart. She knows that I got that for her. She knows about all of this stuff, but I do have something coming that she doesn't know about yet. I've also got some pins. So this thing that says I love naps, and that says plant mother lover, and this one is a sucker for plants, like succulent, haha. This is a shared present for my parents, and it's a Shakti mat, which is pretty much the original version of our lotus mat, but I decided to get them a Shakti because I don't know, I just wanted to get them the OG one. I wanted to try something new, and I was also buying this. Now this one is for my dad. Obviously my mum can use it, but my dad, very long story short, my dad suffers from chronic pain, and his chronic pain that I'm talking about is migraines. So I thought, you know, he's tried so much medical stuff. I thought going more holistic might be the way to go. So I got him a Shakti headband. Now these are basically like the same as a Shakti Max, except they are, as you can see, this wide, and they go around your head and they just press into your head, and they're supposed to relieve tension. So I thought, you know, it's worth a try. It was quite affordable, and that's my main present for him. I also have some socks, and I'm going to get him, I don't know whether I'm going to do a digital card or not, but I'm going to get him a Steam gift voucher so that he can buy himself a game that he wants. And I also bought myself a Shakti headband as well, so Merry Christmas to me from me, for my grandparents. And my brother also got one of these for my mum as well. It's a photo of us with Santa. That's me and my brother with Santa. Yes, I know, I'm wearing tights. Wasn't prepared because I thought my brother knew what he wanted to get mum, but then he didn't know. And then the last couple of things that I'm wrapping today are these little like phone cable holder things. This is Luffy from One Piece, a little tiger, and a panda bear. So yeah, these were like super cheap from AliExpress. And then this is a badge that I got for Korpu because he is seriously the biggest stirrer ever. So I've got two of my last couple of gifts. This is for my brother, Diablo 3 for Switch, and then this is for that guy. And also something else for him, but it hasn't arrived yet, so yeah. So that brings us to the end of the vlog, guys, and it actually brings us to the end of Vlogmas. If you see me playing with this, by the way, it's something that I got from my mum for Christmas. It's actually Christmas Day as I'm filming this. I just finished editing the vlog, and I wanted to come on here and just say thank you guys so much to everybody who supported Vlogmas this year. If you want to see any more videos like what I got for Christmas or whatever, just let me know. But I might show you guys in my weekly live, but let me know what you guys want to see. But I thought I'd just come on here and actually end the vlog for once, seeing as it's our last daily vlog until next Vlogmas, I guess, because we're going to be going back to weekly vlogs. I probably will be vlogging from tomorrow. I decided to take today off of vlogging. I thought about filming Christmas, but I decided in the end that I would just leave that as a day for family and friends. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed Vlogmas. I really have enjoyed sharing it with you guys. I really appreciate all of you. If you guys did like Vlogmas, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Go back and like the other videos if you haven't liked them. Don't forget to let me know what kind of content you want to see from me in the new year, because I find it really, really helpful. And yeah, basically that's it. I feel a little bit sad, Vlogmas is over. Another year, another Vlogmas. Anyway, thank you guys again. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video in a couple of days. Bye.